Hi folks, we're out on Spartan. We've got the engine running now. It's as you can hear, it's running quite nicely. It's not 100% perfect, I don't think. So I brought the dinghy along just in case. I can always bail out. But a lovely sunny day. Freezing cold, mind, but it's sunny. So I just thought I'd have a little look whilst we're motoring along here. I'll slow it down a little bit and then show you around a little bit. Okay, so here we've got the main cockpit. It's not massive. Tiller steering. There's the dinghy hanging on the back. Engine's under here. I'm going to make a new floor for that 'cause it's a bit spongy in the middle. We've got two little lockers either side, one either side. There's this cushion here, there's another locker there, that's just full of fenders. Front deck. That's the hatch there on the front, goes into the front cabin, or the V berth at the front. I put these new orange and green blinds on, halyard blinds, put them on. And if we go inside, hopefully you'll be able to see some flooring there. That's going to be cushions to go on either side there. I've got some new panels to go in there. I've painted all this white in here to tidy it up. I've got all this to tidy up yet. I'm going to put new shelves in, because the shelves are a bit rotten, you can see in places. So they're all going to get replaced with some new wood, which I've got at home. And then that lino on the side there is going to get covered in carpet. Same up here, new roof lining, put new lighting. I'll put new lights in. There you go, LED light bulb thing. It's quite good. Just having a run out though. Like I say, just needs a bit of tidying up, but it's work in progress. Work in progress. We will keep you up to date on what's happening. We're going a bit far out now. I didn't want to come this far out. Head back. Hey. Oh well. Keep you up to date. Hopefully in the spring I'm going to get it taken out the water, because there's no trailer or anything for it. It just sits on the mooring. So I'm hopefully going to get some sort of trailer, get it taken out the water, and then paint the bottom, re-anti-foul, sand it all up, clean it up. I've got the wood to replace around the outside. There's a bit of fiberglass work to do. Inside the lockers there's like bits of wood that are rotting away that want fiberglassing back in, new bits of fiberglassing in. But we will keep you up to date with all that, so stay tuned. And yeah, this is our latest project. The van is finished. It's usable. I've just bought a roof box for the van, so that's next project is fit that and tidy that up. But it's all good. I'll have to do a video unveiling of the van. So might do that one day next week. Just work has been absolutely mental. First lockdown was absolutely dire. We were shut down, nothing, just sat on our asses doing nothing. And then since then it's just absolutely exploded, which is good. Good for us, good for me. So, you have fun. Happy New Year to everyone. I'll see you next time.